Irawat Celebration Committee observed 60th death anniversary of Jananeta Hizam Irawat as State Mourn Day at Irawat Bhavan, Imphal. Kundrakham MLA T.H. Lokeshwar proposes that a library and a guest house in memory of Lamyan Hizam Irawat will be constructed at Kaibi Manachi. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi will formally declare India as open defecation free on 2nd October at Ahmedabad. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Ibito Tokchong with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Irawat Celebration Committee observed 68th death anniversary of Jananeta Hizam Irawat as State Mourn Day at Irawat Bhavan, Imphal today. Speaking on the occasion, State Secretary of CPI Manipur L. Sotin Kumar sought to strengthen Communist Party which was founded by Irawat for a better Manipur. Maintaining that Communist Party took major roles to attain statehood of Manipur and to enlist Manipuri language in the 8th schedule, he asserted that Communist Party took place to work for the welfare of people of Manipur. Communist leaders and women folks who attended the event offered floral tributes to the statue of Irawat.
Adungai solisamaga samapan September gitang kunmathoida Manipur, Tripura, Lusai Pahar, adugloina Kasar district pullaga Purvachal Pradesh semgani haibagi iho amalak matamda madugi mayokta thaunalaina thengnarugi damakta numit adudagi mahak underground changkhibani Manipur da miyamgi iho ase hena mai pakna bugi damakta Burma da satlaga Burma Communist Party singa samdaraga training field na singba Cabo Valley na singba pham singse mase khoina sinana bagi aduga loina makhan kayagi mateng phangbaga loina madugi pawdamna balakpada lambi da tangbo hariba mafam aduda soli singmaga samapan yankhaiga mathoigi September gi tang kunga taru ngasigi numit asida laikhide.
Kundrakham MLA T.H. Lokeshwar announced that a library and a guest house in memory of Lamyan Hizam Irawat will be constructed at Kaibi Manaching, the place where Irawat started his revolutionary movement after he was declared wanted by the then government. He further asserted that construction will start at once if the locality and Kaibi village grants permission for the project. He was speaking on the 68th death anniversary of Irawat organized by Irawat Memorial Trust, Kaibi. MLA Lokeshwar and Secretary of CPI Manipur State Council L. Sotin Kumar led people in offering floral tributes to the statue of Irawat. The flag of Communist Party was also flown at half-mast as a gesture of respect. Speaking at the event, MLA Lokeshwar stated that the present generation still commemorates the contribution of Irawat for a better Manipur. He further urged the need to aware Irawat's work and life to the upcoming generations.
Sidal lariba koi ki karhane Irawat Memorial Trust delai bidiba ichinauk singjiga adagi maroina koi yambo singalona sida aina mithung jangama sajena mang busi koiraba adabu saji habegi si lak tabna mar hojikti ngasi si confirm adi tawnagado male if like kaina bu adagi prajana busibu saji habegi laragadi I will be definitely ai sanadam ai sanada bhona jagi sigi hojik sabase like kai ma patana pali bani the trust am chaung le bani aduna lamlam jing thajibi ba praja sing puning maksiga aiga manaraga whatever sima sara sima taw sabado ai sana dum saruk ya jagi haina ye sum thamjage
mafam asida ahalaman sing awana kya nangkiba sing makhoi adumba photo om to orgasu record kaino khara do orgasu loina mahaka mari lenaba mafam mama masida nikthira lingbi ba taragadi maroina su mana sing se Manipur gi aduma center ama soidana oiragani
sidal
Jananeta Irawat Memorial Trust observed the anniversary of Jananeta Hizam Irawat at Jiribam today. Floral tributes were offered to the statue of Irawat at Babupara, Jiribam. A full rehearsal of mass pass by various schools was also held for the upcoming Irawat Day, which falls on September 30. Three-day training program on agricultural marketing kicked off at the training hall of ICAR Lumfell today. Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium and Krisi Vigyan Kendra Imphal West jointly organized a program under the aegis of National Institute of Agricultural Marketing, Jaipur. Speaking on the occasion, Joint Director of ICAR Manipur Center, Dr. Narendra Prakash stated that Prime Minister Narendra Modi's announcement to double farmers' income by 2020 greatly depends on production rate and marketing of the produced goods. Maintaining that the Prime Minister's vision cannot be fulfilled without marketing, he urged farmers to sell their products properly. Dr. Narendra Prakash further stated that the authorities concerned need to construct required cold storage centers and enhance transportation facilities. Attending the event, Project Coordinator of Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium, M.S. Khaidem, announced that Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium is all prepared to extend possible help to the economically backward farmers for agricultural purposes. He further urged the need for farmers to form various groups and cultivate the habit of working unitedly. Resource persons spoke on various topics to the farmers from various parts of the state during the training program.
Government of India, they have so many schemes. Now they have been developing marketing, storage facility, but these facility to come, government have to proactive. So this facility come in the field, so farmers can get the facility of that storage. State government, they can take these advantage to develop these facility in the farmers area, so farmers get benefit. If farmers get benefit, stakeholder also will get the benefit.
Marketing ki technique ama aikoina sendong len yon haiba matamda grading and processing asi yam very important weba sat manaba por si aikoina alu bara amada ta leraga macha chu achoubo chu akai bu chu pulap hapsal laga yonba budi achoubana achouba group ama the medium size group ama ati apipai group ama samaina grading tawra yom matamda punna bora ama pulap yom da phangmu paisa duga grading si yolo phangmu paisa duga grading tawra yom dun hen income la an sumba technology sindabu sinida.
A fire mishap occurred at the residence of 139-year-old Sagolsem Sanjoy, son of late Bizoy, in Wangkai Konsam Lekai under Porampat police station in Imphal East district today. According to Impact News sources, the incident occurred around 10:10 a.m. The fire destroyed properties of one room of the house. Family members suspected electrical short circuit to have started the fire. Firefighters of Manipur Fire Service timely arrived and doused the fire and stopped it from spreading further. Properties worth around 20 lakh rupees were gutted in the fire. Porampat police has registered a case and investigations are underway. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Prime Minister Narendra Modi to formally declare India as open defecation free on 2nd October. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You are watching Afternoon News. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will formally declare India as open defecation free on 2nd October during a function to be held in Ahmedabad. Prime Minister Modi is scheduled to address a mega convention of more than 20,000 sarpanch from across the country, which will be held at the Sabarmati riverfront in Ahmedabad on the occasion of the 158th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. This was announced by Deputy Chief Minister of Gujarat Nitin Patel in Gandhinagar yesterday. Briefing the media, Patel said that out of 20,000 sarpanch, 10,000 sarpanch will be from Gujarat. Sarpanches from Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Punjab, Haryana, Bihar and other states and union territories will also participate in the event. Prime Minister Narendra Modi held a series of bilateral meetings on the sidelines of the 74th United Nations General Assembly in New York last night. This includes Prime Ministers of Belgium, New Zealand and Armenia and President of Estonia. In his meeting with Armenia PM Nikol Pashinyan, Mr. Modi stressed on the need to considerably enhance the volume of bilateral trade and investment. PM Modi also sought Armenia's Support for concluding an expeditious trading agreement between India and the Eurasian Economic Union, of which Armenia is a member. Mr. Modi also thanked Pashinyan for Armenia's consistent support for India's candidature for the permanent membership of an expanded UN Security Council. Mr. Modi discussed bilateral ties during his meeting with New Zealand Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern. During the meeting with his counterpart from Belgium, Charles Michel, the two leaders agreed to intensify efforts on early conclusion of negotiations on the bilateral investment and trade agreement and enhance closer cooperation on counter-terrorism, multilateral institutions and migration and mobility. Mr. Modi's fourth bilateral of the day was with President of Estonia, Kersti Kaljulaid. One woman under Yangangpopi police station in Imphal district committed suicide by consuming poison today. The woman is 22-year-old Konsam Ningol Chirom Ongbi Serjubala, wife of Chirom Jitain from Gwaltabi, Maninglekai. According to Impact News sources, family members found the body around 7 in the morning. She was declared dead upon reaching hospital. Yangangpopi police has registered a case and investigations are underway. Four persons died due to an unknown disease at Hanchung Punji village under Firjwal district since August to September 23. Tipaimo Kamale, Dr. Charlton Lenamo and ADC member Sri Lalhonson arranged a medical team immediately after learning the tragedy yesterday and brought medical emergency. The exact cause of death is yet to be ascertained. The medical team have to reportedly paddle for about 30 km from Jiribam along the thick forest to reach the village. From the latest information received, the signs and symptoms of the disease includes nose and ear pain along with blood oozing out from mouth and ear, abdominal pain and shortness of breath. Locals assume the disease to be pneumonia, Japanese encephalitis or dengue, but the symptoms were found unrelatable upon asking the doctor. Due to poor communication and no mobile network in the area, information will only be available when the medical team had returned. While speaking to media, MLA Dr. Charlton Lin Amo stated that 2 persons, including 1 child, died on August and 2 individuals died recently on September 23. He asserted that upon hearing the incident, a medical team led by medical officer in charge of PHC Siba Purikal, Dr. Dineshwari, arrived with nurses and technicians and reached Sabal Purikal yesterday and conducted necessary experiment. People carried out a rally against single-use plastic around Lamlong market areas today. Nandabam Lekai Gram Panchayat organized a rally as a part of the countrywide Swachh Hi Seva campaign. Various slogans were chanted during the rally. Speaking on the sidelines, Pradhan of Khurai, Nandabam Lekai Gram Panchayat Yumnam Chitra expressed unfortunate over the continuous use of plastic by the people despite various slogans to curb plastic menace in the state. He asserted that the rally was held to create awareness against single-use plastic and pollution to the public. The rally is also carried out the cleanliness drive around Lamlong market areas after the rally.
One day awareness program akoigi plastic use se si leminarasi haibane single plastic use dagi akoi lapna leminarasi lunan ba basi aigi imung manung dagi aigi isa dagi haurakanda laikai amadi samaj asi chakhottoini akoigi laingak dagi oiba makoina tawrakpa khaktang do ngai ragadi akoi je chakhotpagi mami dagi samna leirani haiba wafam thamjabaga loinana lamong kaithen gi nageta phambiriba isina naw sing amadi akoi Manipur pumbada single use plastic asidagi puna leminarasi for wafam aigi site gi thamjari.
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Iravad Celebration Committee observes 68th anniversary of Jananeta Hizam Iravad as State Moon Day at Iravad Bhavan, Imphal. Pundrapur MLA T.H. Lakeshwar proposes that a library in a guest house in memory of Lamyan Hizam Iravad will be constructed at KB Manaching. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi will formally declare India as open defecation free on 2nd October at Ahmedabad.